All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use Claude to create a simple website, preview it instantly, make a few changes, and then share it with someone using Claude's public artifact link. So instead of using a code editing tool and setting up files and finding hosting, you're just going to describe what you want to Claude, and it's going to make it for you. You'll get a preview of the site, and you'll be able to refine it from there. First, you're going to need to turn on artifacts by going to Settings, Capabilities, and then Artifacts. You click that and go to Settings, Capabilities, Artifacts, high-powered artifacts, great apps, prototypes. That's what we need. All right, so for this demo, I'm going to have it make a website for my new AI consulting business. Then you get this little side window right here that has your website. If you scroll out a little bit, you can kind of see. And when I'm ready, I could publish the artifact. Hit publish and copy link right here. And if I go into a different tab, I can paste that in. And now that link takes you right to the website. You get a nice little website that you can share until you're ready to go to a full-blown hosting company. But this is pretty nice. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks.